Team Changing Coders is a combined team with students from McMath and McRoberts secondary schools in Richmond. They chose their app idea because they noticed that university students were often skipping breakfast or having something super light because they had no time to prepare anything to eat in the mornings. They want to help university students or anyone else that has busy mornings prepare a healthy breakfast or in advance based on what they have at home and so that they can start the day off feeling refreshed and ready. Here's Changing Coders.
Rise and shine, everyone! It's Team Changing Coders here to present you our game-changing breakfast app. I'm Sophia, the designer, and we also have Jason and Oscar as our handy coders. Hey university students, can you relate to this? You finally wake up a little bit earlier than usual, and you're craving some healthy breakfast before you head off to class. Don't forget, a nutritious breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Breakfast helps to boost your energy so you'll be less tired throughout the day. So you've decided to browse for recipes on an app you've randomly downloaded, but all the recipes look like they take up way too much time, and you barely have half the ingredients required. There are recipes that you're interested in, but you just don't have the correct specific ingredients, and you don't have enough time. This is where our app can help. With Shine, you can set your own desired time and select the ingredients that you have. Everything is customizable for the user. We know how busy you students are, so we have designed this app to hopefully save you some time in the morning and get a healthy breakfast in there too. No more wasting time browsing for recipes that you can't actually achieve with the materials that you have. Customization and flexibility are our main priority for our users. Here's a quick run-through of our app to show you how the process works.
Hello, my name is Oscar, and this is a quick demo of our app Shine. Here we have our home screen, and first off we have the recipe of the day that we update every day to provide new ideas for breakfast meals to make in the morning. And if we click into it, it shows the ingredients and the directions we need in order to make the recipe that's provided. And if we go back, we can get started and let us suggest you a new recipe. And here, you can click on the ingredients and we'll suggest you recipes based on what you chose. And for example, let's say we have avocados at home. And press done. And let's say we have, 20 minutes at our disposal. And let's say we want to make it right now. And oh look, here are a bunch of recommended recipes just for you. And they all have avocados in them. That's, for example, scrambled eggs for 6 servings. Wow. But what if we want to choose even more ingredients? And let's say this time we have, avocados, eggs, cheese, and bread. Because, well, they're the common ingredients that everyone has at home. And we're done, and let's say we have more than 30 minutes at our disposal. And when we make it right now, look, even more recipes that have more variations in terms of ingredients. So this time, let's say we want to make some recipes in advance now, but we'll choose some new ingredients like eggs, yogurt, berries, and oats. And I don't know, we have 30 minutes again, but this time we'll make it in advance. And there, as we can see here, we have some recipes, including our daily recipe, that we made in advance to save preparation time in the mornings. And voila! That's the end of our demo, and thank you for watching. Back to you, Sophia.
Thank you, Oscar. Well, that's it, folks. Simple, easy, and customizable. Are you intrigued yet? If you are, please support our app in this competition, and we hope we get to share our app one day to the public for everyone to use. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Thank you, Changing Coders. I am normally quite hopeless when it comes to preparing meals. This app is exactly what I need. We have a question from Judge Teresa for Team Changing Coders.
Hi Team Change Coders, great presentation. I love the name as well. I really liked the customization option within the app, and I think you focused on making it an easy interface, so that's also great. I'm curious to know whether sort of how the recipes are pulled. Is it just go out and do a random search, or are these recipes that you've built into the app so that there's a set number to pull from? Thanks.
Definitely keeping the UI simple is the way to go. Not to mention that cooking a meal is already hard enough with so many moving parts. Like, what is that? But the real question is, where are the recipe information pulled from?
We take our information for all the recipes from online, and we link all our sources like in the app. So if we want to find new recipes, we just search online, find something that looks good and easy, and then we just take the information from there and we just make a new recipe screen for it.
But hopefully in the future, when our app is more developed, we can make our own recipes one day.
Okay, clever. Well, now it's time for me to get cooking again. Be right back, Roland.
Okay, Janice, don't forget to share your cooking with us.